In 2015, in Milton Keynes, I posted on my YouTube channel. I heard weird sounds coming from the sky. And no, it was not a train, music, or anything normal. Apparently, this sound's been heard for years around the world. Here is that video.
What the? That's kind of weird. Shit. Can you guys hear what I'm hearing? Oh, crap. I don't know what it is. It is coming from the sky. That's so scary. Holy shit. Damn, I don't know.
What do you think it could be? What are they doing to us all? Leave me your comments, and thank you for being with me on this journey of the weird, unexplained, and seeker of the truth.